Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We ended up staying at the Scheels in Billings and it was pretty quiet for the most part. There are a few vehicles here and there. But we are going to go inside because I want to check out that huge Ferris wheel. Also, we are going to be getting back on the road because they are supposed to have snow flurries here tonight in Billings, and we just want to get further east. It might be time to start heading south, but I'll talk about that more later. Here you go, Moo-moo. I'll be right back. Here's a treat. Good girl. So here's the store right here. I think it's actually pronounced Scheels, but I forgot they're dog friendly, so I'm gonna go grab Moo-moo real quick. Wow, that is one big mountain biker statue. They have tons of statues out front. Come on, go up. Go girl, yay! How cute is this silly looking moose? Oh my god, it reminds me of Yogi Bear. What you think, Moo-moo, huh? Are you scared of the bear? No? So it's basically a big department store, but look at this. They have an aquarium. And there's an arch that goes all the way around. That is freaking awesome. Wow. I've never been here before, but this is freaking cool. Look at it, it's a black and white fish. Hello, Mr. Fish. Whoa, look at that big sucker. Moo-moo's like, what is going on? I don't understand. I've never seen this before. What is it, Moo-moo? Huh? What is it? I don't know, she might be a little scared. Wow, look at that colorful one. Beautiful. Look, it's Finding Dory. Alright, what store do you know that has a Ferris wheel in it? That's freaking wonderful. It is a working Ferris wheel. You can get the tokens at the cash register. It's $1 a person. That's pretty cheap, but animals are not allowed on, so I can't take Moo-moo. But Terry and Scott are gonna ride it, so if you want to see that, check out their video.
We're gonna ride the Ferris wheel.
Awesome. Cool. $1 a person, that's cheap. They do even have a second floor. My god, it's the world's largest Pac-Man. That is super cool. Babe. Oh, $4. Okay, it takes $1. They even have a midget mount. I should have said that. So suck, it's been forever. Go!
Good score.
Aja, is the light supposed to be blinking on this? It's not.
Holy crap! Oh no! Oh, I'm done. That was awesome. I feel like a kid again. So they have the animals like Cabela's does. Look, big moose butt. This is what a wild turkey looks like, and they actually flew across the road. These are the ones that almost got hit. Why do I feel like I'm having deja vu? Oh yeah, another yellow airplane. Look, Moo-moo, it's your long-distance relatives. Never mind, that's more what you look like, Moo-moo. We got a dilemma there. Wait, what is that?
He's got a horrible dilemma.
I thought he was having a dilemma, but no, that one's really bad. Poor little fella. They have a shooting range with Yogi the Bear. That's a creepy Yogi the Bear. Oh my god, I think I want to get this. Look at this. It's a BioLite, and it is Bluetooth enabled. The fire generates electricity. It is $1.99 for the fire pit. It has way less smoke, X-ray mesh, and you can use dual fuel. So it uses heat to charge this battery, and it has a USB port, a micro USB, also has a built-in fan, and that's the level of the battery, which is, I don't know, full, I guess. Yeah, full. That is an amazing invention. I like that a lot. They have more over here, and look, you can even use it for cooking, because like I said, it's dual fuel, so you can use wood or charcoal. I think I might get that. Since it's Bluetooth enabled, you can control the flames manually or right from your phone. I guess that's by the fan that's built in. I couldn't find a shopping cart, so I asked one of the associates, and they said they're going to grab me one real quick. Since we're on the second level, I didn't know where to find one. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. There's a stainless steel grill on top.
So you got your motor and your fan right there as far as turning it off, your charging ports.
Right.
That is your grill to come over.
Okay.
Right here, we got vents.
Oh, I see.
That's what sucks the smoke.
Uh-huh.
And keeps it filtered and keeps the smoke out.
And it gives it a better burn.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, because it'll keep that airflow going.
That is awesome.
And then down here, there is an ash dump.
Oh, I see.
So you just pull that. That'll release some ash.
Okay.
Did you just look at the legs?
No.
So the legs.
Oh, for
can fold up for
nice.
storage,
Right.
whatever. It does come with a bag.
Okay.
So that you can store it. You can use wood or charcoal.
Right. And the fire actually generates the
Correct.
electricity. Okay.
Correct. So that way, you know, while you're burning, I mean, if you need to charge something,
right.
You know, if you are camping or out of, you know, power reach, you can do that. With the mesh, it'll give a, you know,
more airflow,
radiant heat, you know, really nice. What are you going to use it for?
Camping.
Camping?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
Well, everybody needs to charge stuff now camping, right?
Yeah, definitely. I'm from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, what are you guys doing in Billings?
Actually, I was meeting some friends. Well, he was really helpful, and he also gave me a card so I can, if I apply for the Scheels card, then I can get $50 off of this, which would be super cool. We'll see when I get down there, though. Look, Moo-moo, it's your section! Yay, doggy stuff! The Warrior X Thermal Tent. That looks very rugged and warm. What's that, Moo-moo? Alright, we've got to go to the elevator. Oh, there they are. Oh, cool. Like a train sound. You waiting patiently, Moo-moo? Oh, there it is. Inside. Good girl. Come here. Moon was always weird about riding elevators, but she's like, what is this thing? She's like, I'm unsure. Let me smell around. Come here, Moo-moo. It's just an elevator. Oh, I guess I have to press what floor? She's like, it's moving, I can feel it. Did the beep beep sound scare you? Did that scare you? Alright, you wait for me out there. Good girl. Terry and Scott took Moo-moo for me so I could finish checking out. Scheels is actually a family-owned business. It's their family name. They started out as a hardware store and grew to what they are today, which is awesome. It's a wonderful store. I also got a free t-shirt and a hat and $50 off my purchase because I applied for their card and got it approved. I'm so glad I got that. As most of y'all might know, I am a gear and tech junkie. I love all things like that. So yeah, I'll definitely be showing that in later videos, but we are going to get on the road and head to wherever our new campground is, because yes, it's supposed to snow here in Billings later today, or snow flurries, so I do not want to be around or driving in snow. I mean, I don't mind snow. I like snow, but I don't want to drive in it. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound.